Guys, sad to say, nag-crave ako ng Jollibee pero sarado. So, first kain ko sa Pinas is sa binalot na lang. Tapa and bistig, sasa. Nagki-crave pa naman ako ng Jollibee kaya lang sarado. Marami palang kainan dito sarado, under renovation siya. So, pagtsagaan na lang natin muna yung binalot for the time being, yeah? Okay, I'm with ate. Thank you for my... Hindi ko naman eh. Thank you for picking me up.
Alam mo, pwede naman yata tayo magdala kasi freezer.
Yeah, i-frozen natin. Yan, there you go. And guys, take note, may paganito na rin sila. O, di ba? Social. G, ayan na guys. Na-miss ko yung dahon ng saging. Literally, binalot talaga siya guys. Ito yung pakbet. And then, ito yung talong. Ito yung aming tapa and bistek with the rice na nasa dahon ng saging. So, let's get it on! Kain na na! Oh guys, boarding na kami via Cebu. So, medyo busy na. 7:55 yung flight namin. But it's okay. Covered na, Hyundai. But yeah, tulog ito pagdating doon. Nakapila na kami kasi ready to board na. Okay? So, ganito yung situation dito ngayon. Sobrang daming tao. So busy. Tayo papasok. Finally, we're boarding now after a long wait. OMG. It's so tiring.